Hi friends, in this video, I want to say few things about BPLD Constitution Convention of India. We see out the last year. Presently, we are facing the problem like coronavirus, which is one of the sexuality disease. This is happening because of the disobeying of the BPL law. So only Britain said the word, lock that down and don't do any sexual habit and don't have any sexual habit other than your life. This is still happening in the world from the past and past. And we are facing the problem like coronavirus because of this again. This is happening because of the females and males. Wishes are to get a money or wealth in a short duration, in a short way. They are asking for a huge amount of money in short way, in short ways. So some sources are attacking the people to achieve their aim using this type of males and females. Like I'm saying some example. In Tamil Nadu areas, you can see some TV like Pudhiya Thalangra. In that type of TVs, I saw some serials or some program like Solvadalam, like that they are showing some films. Some serial or some program they are playing called as Solvadalam. In that serial, one programmer is there, some female is there. They are having some problem, they are trying to beat, they are beating somebody by saying you are drunkard, you are doing something. But actually that female is a BPL against female. That female is giving sexual torture to lot of males. That female is sitting in that chair and he is taking his swag in his next step and he is saying I am giving some punishment to some males and females who are disturbing the prostitution prohibition law. That females still disturbed. Lot of males and females in that case only. That type of program is still happening in the year. They will do prostitutes or other things and they will say we are waiting for people. This is just a awareness program from World Seven program of Marathi language than other language like Tamil. The Tamilians, they are saying some words like we are in global standard and we are having lot of writers in Tamil Nadu and Tamilians want to rule the world. And what they are asking actually, they are asking total properties of the richest in the world. And they want to eat inside the house by sitting, by placing little powder in their face, little dresses in their bodies. For that, they are spreading this pornography to others to eat total money of the year in their houses. So they are calling themselves very beautiful country, very calm country. Like that they are saying themselves, but they are internally sending some type of forces to other countries and other states to disturb others. This is already happening in this Indian country. From central, they order to close all the state, don't come out from the state and don't give disturbance to others. To give some good help to that type of Tamilians. That Tamilians are still coming to other states and disturbing other states. I say we want total properties in our hand, global charity properties of myself, and they are acting like we are Tamilians, that global president is Tamilian, so we want total properties in Tamil state, like that they are saying. But we don't want that global president, we want that global president property in our hand, we want to kill that global president, and we want to leave total properties of the global president in our hand. But they don't know what is called, what I am doing, what is called the global charter, what is inside. But they are saying, I want all the details. So they are still, so they place me to get all the data. They want to gather all the data. For that they are placing myself. After getting all the data from myself, they want to eat the money only. They don't want to see myself. Like that they are saying, and they are creating some cloning, some type of peoples like Varadarajan, Singapore, something, some international terrorists they are creating. They are saying inside the Tamil Nadu by saying, United Kingdom is having some terror forces to attack other countries. So we want that type of facilities in our country. During this theft and stealing of the properties, because we are a Kampa. In Tamil they are saying that as Amedi Punka. And they are also saying Tamil Nadu is in democracy. In Tamil they are saying that Makalachi. They are saying they killed Amadi Jayalalitha by inspector of in police side or in Asurasura or in Apollo. But what really happened there? Their democracy, they are calling something like people inside Tamil Nadu. They killed Jayalalitha to sleep with or to do prostitute inside Tamil Nadu. They want to do prostitute with beautiful money in buildings who are having more than 5 or 6 crore, or who are having rowdies, that is Rowdy Raja, who are having Rowdy Raja. For that they killed Karunanidhi and Jayalalitha. They are saying they are in democracy than monarchy. And they killed Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi by democracy. You can see in the YouTube, females are sleeping in the males' legs, and you can see in whose leg they slept. All are richest people. To get money they are sleeping. But as per the word of Selvi Jayalalitha, to live without marriage, he gave Pasarai to myself, who is in the world than the Varadarajan, the international terror, the universal terror. Varadarajan, the universal terror, created something inside Tamil Nadu against the God of the earth, Sri Rama, Salvadans and universal. And they tried to attack the government. And that time, Lord Selvi Jayalalitha created Pasarai, that is spams and universe for my third life. In that Paka, these mostly females will are killing them to steal the properties, to sleep with richest people, to store total properties of the earth in their hand, along with some, they are calling something like some black horses campus Muslim people. Some Muslim peoples are having lot of bareness than other countries. So they are in very much bareness than other countries. So these females who designed the hutch in the earth are attacking the males who can't walk in the roads, who can't eat, to take total properties of, along with the DSP and SP who are having well fitness body by exercising, do beat one patient who is standing in the roads to kill that patient. You can see in the papers, police, DSP or SP flashing the or beating the face that the patient dying in that second. They are patient, they are dying in a second. For that only that type of DSP, SPs are exercising because they are having fitness in their body. So they are beating that patient is dying. That is very beautiful law, so they are doing like that. But for that, if Ashoka parents transfer that inspector to waterless area, that is only accused activity is as per the law of the actor actress of India or Tamil Nadu. So actor actors are only a beautiful god than others. They only know to save others, because only God and devas are dogs than that type of actor and actors. Because they are only artists than people. As per the word of the female inspector or inside people, that female polices are saying to females who are all giving properties, follow that means they will give properties. In open meeting they are saying that in terror codings, don't try to follow the males who are following the people or laws. They are in openly they are saying like that. That is their type of personal matters. They are saying some personal matters in official meetings. That is not a problem. That is their personal matter they are saying in official meetings. But patients should not take any food in official offices during official works. If they take any official food to increase their health, it will give case against that patient. So they will give sexual disturbance to that patient family females in all the areas. That is their personal matter. They are doing their personal list and they are doing that sexual activities towards the people. That is their personal matters. That is not a problem. But why they are disturbing others? Their personal matters they are doing, that's not a problem. But they should not disturb other states. Why they are again coming to other states like Karnataka or other states? Because Karnataka is prostitute country, than Tamil Nadu the Amedi Kungadi Kampar. You are you the Tamil Nadu is a Kampar. I the Karnataka is a I the Tamil Nadu is a Kamakudurikal. We are in Kamamundi. You the Tamil Nadu is only Kadalkottai. Because you the Tamil Nadu democracy only did prostitution or raping with the Kadalkottai. Naikia Masina Beha in prostitute or raping case. You the Tamil Nadu the Kampunga with gang towards the people doing the canali of here. You try to give food to myself in my house. For that only I am not in food. From that situation to 21 years, I am still without food because of you the Tamil Nadu gang raping females and males. You, the females and males of Tamil Nadu, the democracy, the gang raper of the year. Because of you, the Tamil Nadu, the gang raper, I, the global president, the God, is still 21 years I am not in a food. Because you only know to cook a food. Muslim Kannadis don't know to cook a food, they don't know to give food to me. They came from Pakistan and Rajasthan to give only food to me. Then yourself who are in nearby areas. So only you are sending all the Muslims outside the Indian country by saying no one should give food to the global president. We want total properties of global president in Tamil Nadu hand because we Tamil Nadu find all then that global president is your word. You the Tamil Nadu females find all the thesis of the global president. So you are asking all the properties in your hand than the global president. So my supporters are already died in Corona. 2 crore supporters of myself died in Corona. You buried, you the Tamil Nadu buried inside the sand by saying by your government support or by your pressures and your Adhikara Bodha, and you the Tamil Nadu kill 2 crore males and females by saying we 2 crore males and females want to boast. So boast in the air. On the boast you are asking from the government. So you are burying 2 crore males and females to place your sin over to that males and females who are inside the sand, along with your Parthinaharan, who the good people killer inside the sand. The chanda of the earth. I, the Amma, need to get beat like your Amma of Tamil Nadu. Because your Gautami is asking something like who killed Amma, and in the open meeting, you the democracy of Indian country killed, you the Amma in Tamil Nadu, you the Gautami killed, you the Amma jailed there. Then why you are acting like this inside Tamil Nadu? To get which male's property you want? You are calling males to say the females. You the females are doing prostitution. You the females are only enemy to females. Because you want global president, you terror face to say you the global president is saying to American country to make the global president in a terror status. You can't achieve that aim. That is only said to Tamil Nadu in non-terror can attain than your aim. You the non-country, the Nallava, because Nepal is not a Nallava. You the Tamil Nadu is an Nallava. Non-terror can attain your aim. Tamil Nadu என்ற அந்த பயங்கரவாதியாலும் எந்த ஒரு கொள்கையையும் அடைய முடியாது என்று 50,000-60,000 கிலோமீட்டருக்கு தூரத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரே ஒரு நல்லவா கூறினார். நான் டெரர் கேன் அட்டைன் தேர் ஏம். எந்த ஒரு பயங்கரவாதியாலும் அவர்களின் சொத்தை வாங்கி உங்களால் மது அருந்த முடியாது. இப்பொழுது புரிந்ததா உங்களுக்கு? நன் டெரர் கேன் அட்டைன் தர் ஏம். In that time, I am working in the Bank of India. I am the shape of India. I am the Bank of India. I am the Kanna, the Polichamya. You all are the Gavanana. You all are the devotional power. Kanna the Empire don't have any power. You the females are only going daily. I am not going daily. I am a PPL than you the Karthi, you the prostitution. In the college I am not a going fellow like you the Tamil Nadu, the Varadaraja. In the age of 6, he is a raper. He raped Amma. He raped Amma. Are you understand what I am saying? After raping only he married. He still don't have any AIDS disease. It's your Tamil Nadu. We are a prostitute country than Tamil Nadu. We the Karnataka, the love Deepa, the love flame of the earth. You don't know what is called love flame because you the Tamil Nadu is a prostitute country than Kampa. I am saying in English, Kama Kudirigal. You the Tamil Nadu the Kama Kudirigal. I the Karnataka is don't have anything like prostitution. We are having only love flame than you. Because of you, we are giving child for others with your Humayan the Varadaraja in the face, in the chest, in the body. It is a love flame of the earth than the Tamil Nadu the Kampa. You are shouting in the sky from past 21 years. I am having experience towards your country, 21 years of experience. My life partner is having 18 years of experience towards your country. The Tamil Nadu, the Kam Punka. This is called Anglo-India. The flame of the Indian. Then the Angleya, the English media is that English, the Angleyan said, Srinama need male child than females. Then your Tamil Nadu, and they are doing their work. You are asking the properties than Angleya, because you are cutting my spermats, you are cutting my sexual systems, you are taking my sperms, then Karnataka. It's a Nataka here, then you are Tamil Nadu. You are only taking my sperms, you are only taking my energies. Then they are teaching to me, then you the Tamil Nadu. You are not ready to teach anything to me. They are teaching to me, I am learning from them. Why you are trying to disturb that teaching? You are thinking I will say anything beauty to you? You are not beauty than them. Because I laughed in Tamil Nadu, in Tripurangunda, because of my marriage, than your jokes. I laughed in Tripurangunda. I am saying again for Landibar. I laughed in Tripurangunda because of my marriage only than your jokes. You the Tamil Nadu, the jokers, are thinking your jokes are good than our marriage. Our marriage is not a joke like you. I need 1 crore for my marriage than your property earning pocket murku. I am a Rohit Patti Murku than your packet murku who are trying to earn property more than myself. As per the circular of the Sanmarka, I know to give Arasamangalya to my partners than you the Tamil Nadu, you the Supanambika Alliance Ambika, who gave child to universal terrors and international terrors. and they are having 2 or 3. You, the Ishwari, you gave 2 or 3 to accuse the international terrorists and other terrorists. Then what you are asking from me? You, the Ishwari, gave more childs to your Tamil Nadu than the Karnataka. But you are asking total property from myself by saying I need total Anmika power in my hand. It's your personal matter. You can ask anything, that is your personal matter. But I need to sanction because I am a grandfather of the earth. I said I didn't give any Anmika power to any people in your democracy. Why you are asking Anmika power to these sexual actress, the Anushka, who is showing this type of photo? You can see that Anushka in sexual films are other things like this. You are asking the PPL power, the large power of the earth to that female. That female is supporting the accused only. Whether you thought